What if the key to changing your health was sitting right on your plate? Hi, I'm Connor Hiebel with Island Microgreens, and my business started as a personal mission. When I was 7 years old, I was on medical homebound because of genetic health challenges, and that experience changed everything for me. That journey led me to a thing called microgreens, and here's why they matter. USDA affiliated research shows that microgreens can contain up to 40 times more nutrients than your full grown vegetable. Vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals packed into the tiniest bite on your plate. They changed my life, and now I'm proud to share them with the world. But passion alone doesn't build a business. Verizon Digital Ready gave me the strategy to make this real, the pricing, the planning, the positioning to grow Island Microgreens into something that helps my whole community. That little kid on medical homebound figured out that food could be medicine. And now I'm sharing it with everyone who's ready to take their health seriously. Let's grow something great together.